So today I'm going to do a video about the Synek, the portable beer dispensing system off of Kickstarter. I received this as a backer and picked it up at the Philly event back in August. So I wanted to go show you different things about it, how to set it all up, what'll come with it, and some things that I found that have kind of worked, how to use it, and different things like that. So when you get the unit, you unbox it, this is what it looks like. This is the bronze unit that I have. Power cord obviously goes in the back, as we saw in the video. So the first item that you'll receive is actually the tap spout where the beer will come out of. So it has a little flow control on the side of it, and then you actually, if you're a Kickstarter backer, you will receive this tap handle. If you are a pre-order or anybody that ordered off the internet, you receive just a regular standard black one that came in the box. So these are the items that you should receive when you get your Synek. The first is obviously the CO2 tank. This will come empty if you received it shipped. It will not be filled, so you have to go to Dick's or to Sports Authority or any paintball store to actually get it filled. I have a different O-ring on the top of here. I was having some issues where the O-ring was actually popping off, so I actually went to Home Depot or Lowe's to pick up these. It's a number 9 O-ring. It's $2 about them, so you got a whole bunch of them, so I use them instead of the other ones, which I had problems with, theirs falling off. The next item that you will get, if you order more, you can have more, but this, I believe one comes with it. This is the functional cap. This is how actually it will get filled. You go to places to go get it filled, you actually have to hook it up into this. The top one is for the beer, bottom one is for the CO2, and you'll see that when I hook the bag up that I have into my unit. The next item that you get in the box will be the regulator. This is a custom regulator, dial on top, high to low, spins off there. The back is where it will connect here to the CO2 line. So if you just take this nut off of here, put your line on to the end there, thread this through first, and then secure it on, and you're ready to go. Then you will receive bags. If you're a Kickstarter backer, you should receive 15. If you are a pre-order, I believe that you received 5. The front of the bag, back of the bag, as we've seen. Then you will receive the Synek mat. So this is to catch any beer droppings, anything. Actually goes conveniently just right underneath there as I leave mine. So we'll go through, show you some more things, show you how to set this up, show how it works, and you'll see the insides of it. So on the right hand side here, you have the temperature control. Digital gauge where it'll go up. You could set it to whatever you want, 38. I usually leave mine at 32. So inside that door, once it's all set, you have the regulator that's hooked up. So you saw before, I have mine with the hose already hooked up and set to off. So if you get your tank, screw it on the top. And then just sit in there. Now, as if you look to the inside, you have where the line is going from the CO2 right here to where the line from the beer is going. So I have a bag that has been a free pour. I just poured some root beer in here, the Coney Island root beer. So I'll show you how to get it all in. It takes a little bit of time and it takes a little bit of practice actually to try and get it in when the bag is filled. What I'll do is I hook my CO2 line up first, but in this situation the CO2 line is actually closer, so I'll hook up the beer line. Sometimes it takes a little practice, you gotta kind of shove it on there and then move the bag in a little bit more, then push the CO2 line in. Push the bag back as far as you can and you have to watch the line. Now if we look at the CO2 tank, you can actually see that the gauge is reading something. It's getting back pressure from the bag that I have in there. But actually as you turn it on, you'll start to see it go up. put it at high, you can put it at low, put it at medium, whatever you want to do. The gauge will show you, and then you just close it in, and then you're ready to go. The thing that I've noticed, if you play around with the bag and you leave it open a long time, or you're going to open up the actual refrigeration part, the temperature rises actually pretty quickly. I had it at 32 degrees before, now it's actually at 36, and I had it open for just a few seconds. But it goes down pretty quick, and it'll change pretty quick. So, as you see, here's the whole unit. The spout control again is adjustable. I usually will pull the top up, bring the spout control down, and there you go.